back to another video. We're in the M5 today. I cannot wait, boys. I'm already scheduling the tune process, so I'm gonna get everything ordered soon. Oh my! This thing still sounds so good stock, but I'm telling you, I need to tune it. Like whenever you fool a straight pumper car, you have to tune it. It just doesn't sound the same. I mean, obviously, right? There's way more airflow, so it's not used to it, you know? Dude, I've been seeing videos recently with like M5 CSs, bro. M5 CS sounds, I don't know why they sound like it's almost the same engine, you know what I'm saying? So there's not much of a difference, but they sound so unique. Something about them, bro. They just sound so good. Ooh, Corvette. I think honestly, like I want to see how this car sounds once I tune it and do everything to it. But in the future, I'll be down for an M5 CS. It's like basically like a, yeah, I need to, I feel like with the M5 CS, it's like the perfect car because it sounds so good. It's the fastest sedan, I think, quote unquote, ever. So it's like, it doesn't get any more aura than that, you know? Wait, I don't know, M5 CS just has so much aura, bro. What other car is really good? GT63S, that one's pretty good, but that one's huge, bro. Yeah, if you tune it, dude, it pops like crazy. Like, we can make this thing sound so good. And then obviously I can turn off the pops, so I'm gonna ask them to tune it to where I can turn on and off, do whatever I want with it. Like, that's... Oh my. Freaking street, man. I can't tell if there's a motorcycle car behind me or not, but I don't want to risk it anymore, bro. Those guys are always after someone. I think he's coming up the street too. Oh gosh. I don't have my valves broke. Oh snap. I don't see that motorcycle. I think, dude, it had to be a motorcycle cop. I don't know. I don't see him right now, so we're chilling. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I need to take off traction mode. I love the way this thing sounds, bro. I can't imagine like upgrade turbos. Obviously, I feel like if you go too big, it doesn't sound as good. I don't know, something about these turbos, they did a good job with them, bro. They did. That's why I love these, man. That's why I love the M5. They did such a good job with them, man. That's why I need to tune it. I need to tune it better. car is clapping right now. No. Also, guys, I'm forcing the pops. So if you guys don't like the pops, that's the second thing about it. I love that. Even the stock M5, you can turn it off, man. So if you guys don't like it, just turn it off. But I love it, man. I don't know, something about it. Especially if it's tuned. I don't know. I keep talking about I hate it. I'm just trying to stack up right now, boys. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm just trying to stack up and invest everything, bro. I'm investing all my money right now. But I'm like I said, everything's going to schedule. I'm ordering a bunch of parts right now. I want to upgrade my intercoolers. Obviously I need to unlock my ECU. So. Love the way this car sounds, man. I hope all you guys doing good, man. Hope all you guys are grinding out like I'm saying every week, man. It just, when time flies, boys, you just like, it's hard to not stop talking about it, man. Like every week I'm just reminding myself every week, because you know this job's not easy, bro. I'm gonna be real. This job's not easy sometimes. Boys, this is the perfect freaking street. Oh my. It doesn't pop above 50. Right when I get below 50, it pops. Dude, that sounds crazy. That sounds insane, bro. The way it like claps when it shifts gears sounds so good. I mean, honestly, boys, I'm even mentally preparing myself to put new pistons in, put a new engine block. I mean, maybe not engine block, but definitely I want to upgrade the trans on this thing. I want this thing to be stronger, way stronger. Because I do not want to overthink me blowing the trans, bro, honestly. I love how I have both these cars, because now I love how I don't have FOMO anymore, you know? Like M4 comps sound good, but this one sounds, in my opinion, way better. Still like obviously a higher pitch tone compared to like obviously like the Hellcat, right? The Hellcat's deep, bro. It's 6.2 liter V8. It's like, I mean, that 1 liter difference, bro, is huge. It sounds like it's night and day, bro. It's huge. So I'm just happy I have both worlds, man. Ultimately, boys, just like I'm so like this week it was Monterey week, or this week was car week, and I really wish I went, man. But I just feel like it's only worth going there, bro, if you have like a supercar, man. So right now I'm due this year. I mean this year I already been killing it. Luckily the business is going really good. Got smart employees, everyone's young, so there's so much growth. I'm more looking forward to, man, like just the next year, because I know next year's be where I can actually like pay myself well, you know, reap the blessing of the business. So I'm just excited for it, man, because next car week, bro, I'm going all out, bro. Like, I preferably would want to go all out with like an SVJ or something, man. To be real, man. Last time I was here, there was a cop like posted up somewhere. So I don't really trust the street right now. Two-wheel drive is so fun right now. But this ground's for sure chewing up my freaking tires. I don't want to keep slipping, bro, because I'm gonna be real. People be slipping out with M5s way too easily. So I'm not be risking it. Oh, snap. Oh yeah, these streets are perfect. Today, boys, I'm sending it for you, man. I'm trying to go all out right now for you guys. Because every video is like, you know, I be watching POVs, man. People be driving so boring, man. Like, it's been a minute since I watched one, but last time, like, dude, nobody be sending it. So that's why I cannot wait right now, boys. I'm grinding in the quiet right now. Like, I am not, I mean, you guys don't see anything on my Instagram. All you see is work, but I've been putting so much work on the weekends, man. On the weekends, like every single day after work, like I cannot wait to reap the blessing, man. So I've just been quiet, man. So I plan to go all out with every car I get, you know what I'm saying? So right now I'm taking it slow, but then once the time comes, bro, I'm going all freaking out. I know California has a lot of strict rules, so I'm honestly even thinking about getting something in like Nevada, like a shop in Nevada. You know, we got a shop here. I got a shop in Cali now, so I want to get one more shop in Nevada, like a small little one, chill one, so I can like just go over there if I need to. You know, it's only 4 hours away, so it's freaking worth it, man. Enjoy this video, man. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.